The orca is one of the most ferocious animals out there. Easily identified because of its black and white pattern, it is often used as playful marine imagery. In this video, we will talk about the top 10 facts about orcas. So, let's get started. Number 1. Orcas aren't whales. Orcas are often called killer whales. They certainly have the size to be listed among those massive creatures. However, orcas are not whales. They are dolphins. They receive their name due to their large size and suitability as predators. These remarkable sea creatures have a large frame and distinctive black and white colors. They can also be identified by the saddle-shaped gray patch that sits directly below their dorsal fins. Number 2. Orcas are found in every ocean. Orcas are the most common mammal in the animal kingdom after humans. The species is found all over the world, from the icy seas of the north and south to the warm waters of the equator, including the Hawaiian Islands, Galapagos Islands, and the Gulf of California. Its range extends from the Arctic to the Antarctic. Orcas have been sighted in freshwater rivers in addition to all of the oceans in the world. Number 3. Orca clans speak different languages. Orcas like to live in small family groups called pods, which join together to create larger social units called clans. Language is one-way clans, and even specific pods can be distinguished from one another. Various languages are spoken by different clans. It would be like trying to hold a conversation with English, Russian, and Chinese speakers when these sizable groups got together. Number 4. Orcas are very intelligent. They frequently serve as the stars of many aquarium performances due to their excellent intellect and ability to be trained. All dolphins, including orcas, contain spindle cells in their brains, according to research on dolphins, a close relative of the killer whale. Only humans, elephants, and apes, all of whom are regarded as highly intellectual mammals, had these cells before. Dolphins are among the rare animals that display some self-awareness because, like humans, they can recognize themselves in mirrors. Number 5. Orcas interact through underwater sounds. Like their dolphin relatives, killer whales can communicate with one another through underwater sounds. Whales in a pod may recognize other whales in their group by their characteristic noises. These noises aid their underwater movement. They can locate objects even in the deepest depths of the ocean by measuring how rapidly their noises reflect. They communicate with one another, which enhances their capacity for hunting. Number 6. Orcas cannot smell. Since orcas lack an olfactory system, they most likely lack a sense of smell. This may appear to be a disadvantage, but it makes a lot of sense. The orca practices echolocation by making noises and listening for echoes to detect the presence of objects or other animals in their environment. They do this by using their acute hearing. Number 7. They have big brains. Some scientists estimate IQ based on brain size, more specifically the brain-to-body mass ratio. According to that standard, the orca's brain is 2.5 times bigger than the average animal's brain. However, it is thought that orcas are significantly more intelligent than their brain capacity would suggest based on their excellent social language and echolocation skills. Number 8. Orcas live between 35 to 100 years. These animals are not considered endangered by the IUCN and are very plentiful. The scientific community often debates how long these mammals live. Some say as long as 100 years, while others say only 50. Some calculate by looking at the growth layers in their teeth. These records may indicate they live as short as 35 years. Number 9. Long as a school bus and weigh up to 6 tons. These dolphins are renowned for being enormously large. They can weigh up to 6 tons and range in length from 16 to 32 feet, or almost as long as a school bus. In general, males are bigger than females. The heaviest male ever reported was 32 feet long and weighed 10,000 pounds. Even though the biggest female orca was just 28 feet and 7,500 pounds, it was still a massive animal. Number 10. Orcas hunt similarly to a pack of wolves. Orcas are very cunning in the capture of their prey. In the Antarctic, they have been seen working as a group to make such large splashes that seals get washed off icebergs to catch their prey more easily. These massive beasts have been spotted in Argentina. throwing themselves on ice to capture sea lions resting there, showing their cunningness. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative and amazing videos. Thank you for watching.